what are 3 women or gender-related advocacies that you want your candidates to push forward?
For me is Soji SC bill, divorce bill, and abortion bill.
For me is the Soji SG, the abortion, and the divorce bill as well.
Sana yung mga politiko na gusto kong manalo or iboboto ko is yung una makababae, makabakla, at hindi gender sensitive, hindi siya stereotyping na politician.
So, syempre, yung pinakauna is magkaroon at ipasa yung SOGI, SC Equality Bill. Tapos yung pangalawa, pag-implement initially ng comprehensive sexuality education. Kasi, especially ngayon, no, hindi lang naman tumataas yung mga gender violence sa mga bata at teenage pregnancy. Pero may mga queer people, no, na nagkakaroon ng malalang mental health, diba? Nakakaranas ng abuse. Tapos yung last, initially is about intensifying syempre yung HIV programs and nagbibigay ng mas strong funding na hindi nakaasa sa international countries and international development partners. Yan lang.
Abortion po. Legal of abortion. Ano po, yung payagan po yung divorce.
Ay, for me po kasi Soji bill. Kasi po, alam naman po natin, noon pa man po, marami naman po tao or mga NGO po na gusto po na isabatasa po yung mga, yung Soji bill.
Gusto natin ma-push talaga yung pagpapasa ng social equality bill and as well as yung pag-practice talaga natin, no, na ma-assert yung rights ng mga kababaihan sa lahat ng aspect. And number 3 is yung pagpupush natin ng equality, hindi na sa usapin ng gender, kundi yung iba pang related issues tungkol sa usapin ng sexuality.
Thank you.